Give her the biggest, my friend. Give also soup. Soup. Yeah, Elizabeth is smiling right now. She will finish that one with her boyfriend. Yeah. So that she will have energy tonight. See, look at her face. So, why Nigerians drink this? For energy?
For highness.
To bam bam? To like this? Hello guys, welcome to my vlog, and today I'm with my sister Elizabeth. Okay, she's very pretty and she's very single, right? And available. If you have plenty money, please make sure to marry my sister Elizabeth. So for today's vlog, you don't like that? For today's vlog, we are going to eat street food there, very close. Okay, so we are just going to walk around 5 minutes and we are now going to see different foods in Nigeria. Are you shy? Yeah, don't be shy. Okay, let's go. Let's go. How far? It's fine. Let's go. We go now. Actually, guys, on this part, okay, there's traffic. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. How are you going to marry if you are shy? Yeah. So here there's traffic every 6 o'clock in the evening. Okay, so let's start moving. Artificial. I hate artificial. I hate plastic. If your attitude is plastic, okay guys, so this is where a lot of motorcycles are here, right? You have to talk also on my vlog. What can you say? You cannot say anything. So yeah, so this place is very noisy and very populated. That's why you have to be careful on your phones, on your wallet like that, because plenty people here.
Yes.
Because this is the rush hour. Yeah, 6 o'clock is after work, so they have to go back home to their place. Yeah, so let's go. This is Africa, this is Nigeria. Are you tired? Yeah, you have to be strong, woman. Yes, yeah, I'm not tired. Hi, how far, my friend? How far? How far, my friend? How far? So we are now here at where? Alade Avenue, where they sell a lot of different Nigerian food. So as you can see, there's a what is this? Yeah, I know there's rice, but they use triangular stand. They use chair. High chair to put charcoal, okay, so that they can heat the food and cook the food. Okay, so like this one, they have this rice, right? Elizabeth, you help me also. You help me, my friend.
I think that is yellow rice.
This one is what?
Village rice.
Huh?
Village rice.
Village rice.
Huh?
Village rice.
Village rice. Oh, there's village rice.
Yeah.
Do you have rich rice for rich people? Abby? Okay, oh my god. You have to be careful because it's sparkling. Right? It's sparkling. Oh my god. Our beautiful face will be sparkled by this. What about those
Chicken, turkey 90.
chicken turkey?
I want to.
Oh, why chicken turkey? It's turkey. Yeah, turkey. Yeah, oh my god. Okay, you hold this one now. Let's go and taste their food. Oh, you have a lot of things here to sell. What is this?
Cow leg, boneless, and one with
Boneless, how much?
1.5.
1.5? This one only?
1.5, 1.7.
I don't understand. You say 2.5, 1.5, 1.2, 2,000, 3,000. How much?
We have the one of 1.5, we have the one of 1.7. This is 1.5. This is 1.7.
Do you want to eat meat?
And we have
What is that? The one inside here? Do you have the full chicken?
Yes, we have chicken.
The full chicken?
No, we don't have.
Oh, you don't have it.
It's chicken lap.
I see. Okay, this one is spaghetti.
Yes.
Oh, give me three spaghetti. You like spaghetti? Okay, 3 spaghetti. How much is the spaghetti? Portion 200. I thought 2,000 again. Okay. Yes, 3 spaghetti, my dear. Oh, I will enjoy the food, though, I tell you. What's the partner of spaghetti? No problem. Ah? You want 2 portion?
No, one portion is okay.
Yeah, 1 portion is okay. I just wanted to taste. Just wanted. Hi, my friend. I'm fine. I'm fine. One portion. You know, we don't want to eat. We don't want to eat a lot of.
With what again? What should they have?
How much is the fish?
1,000.
The fish 1,000. Oh my god, 1,000 the fish. Is that the one there?
That one, yeah, that one too.
What about the chicken?
The chicken 2.5.
2,000. I don't understand. 2,000, 2,500 or what?
Turkey is 2,000.
So this one is turkey. I'm I'm asking the chicken.
Fine.
Huh?
2,500.
2,500. Okay, thank God. Just give us fish. You like the fish? Which fish? The fried fish? That's 1,000, right?
The croaker is 1.7. The Titus is 1,000.
Yeah, give us that one. Okay. Give us the fried. I see it. So guys, are you enjoying the food?
Yeah.
Elizabeth?
It's nice.
The food is nice?
It's nice. It's nice.
Oh, but your face is like you are not smiling.
I'm still eating.
So here guys, there's a lot of people already that are buying food and they will do takeaway. So most of these people are in their apartment, they don't want to cook, something like that. So much. Yeah, thank you so much. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to check more food if they have suya.
Hello.
Hi, good evening. How far? I'm fine. Hello. Do you have suya? You have suya? Suya. Where's your suya? Suya. Oh, I want suya. University of Suya. I tasted the food already there. I want something different. I want something different. So they have turkey, they have fish, and then chicken. Wow, I love it. Let's go also here. Do you have suya? My friend, you have suya? Suya? Ay, this is ano? How do you call this again? Pomo. Ah, you want to eat pomo? You want to eat pomo? You still want to eat pomo? How much is your pomo? Ah, they are selling there 1.5, 2.5. Yeah, there.
Maybe this is the one they are selling for you to 1.5. This one. This one is 1.5.
Ah, this is the 1.5. So, is it not the same pomo?
No, this is cow leg.
Huh?
This is cow leg.
Ay, cow leg. You want cow leg?
Boneless.
Boneless? You want cow leg? Oh, pomo. How many pomo can you eat? Elizabeth, say it.
Maybe like 5.
5 pomo you can eat here? Are you sure?
Yes, I can.
No takeaway, ah?
No, no.
I know already. Take away. Okay, give her 5. Take away, yes. You also 5. 5 also for Matthew. Take away. Yes. Wow. You know what? I love coming back if the service is really good. Yeah, I'm very concerned with the service. Yeah. Oh my god, it's really nice. Give her the biggest, my friend. Give also soup. Soup. Yeah, Elizabeth is smiling right now. She will finish that one with her boyfriend. Yeah. So that she will have energy tonight. See, look at her face. Same thing also with him.
Okay.
So this is moi moi, and then they have different rice.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow. See? This is very, very artistic and creative. Right? Oh my god, I never thought there's something like this here. And they have different rice, white rice, orange rice, purple rice, orange yellow rice.
Native rice. Coconut rice.
Coconut rice, sorry, I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm new in Nigeria. So this one is plain rice, white rice, native rice, coconut, jollof rice, right? What's your name? Love it. I love your energy. Yeah. Are you single?
Yeah.
I'm already married. If I'm single, I'll marry you. Abby? Oh my god, I'll bring you to my country. Are you jealous, my friend? It's like he's jealous. It's like he's jealous. No, I said that guy is jealous. Yes. Don't be jealous, my friend. Okay? Yeah, don't be jealous. Okay? Like this one, what is this? This is alcohol. Oh my god, this is alcohol. It's my first time to drink alcohol. So this Chelsea, this is 43% alcohol. So if I drink this one, I will...
Not really.
Oh my god. Actually guys, this is the only country that has sachet alcohol. Since you are single, right? Do you drink alcohol? I want you to drink alcohol.
I don't.
I want you to drink alcohol.
I don't.
Let's drink together. Okay? Can you give me one, my friend? Let's drink together. Oh my god. Let's drink together. Do you have lighter? I want to see if if the color is blue. If this one is very alcoholic.
This is just plain white.
Nah, see? 43%. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
it's lighter.
Wait. So let's open this one, my friend. How much is this? 50 naira. Okay, you drink also with me. Okay, you drink also with me. Till the... Yes. Open that one and we'll see first the color of the light. If it's very, very alcohol, if there's too much alcohol, can you open it?
With lighter.
Then the lighter. No, I want the alcohol. You have to. Yes. I want to see the alcohol. Okay, here. Yeah, you put lighter. See, Oh my God! Oh my God! See? Oh my God! Oh my God! This is too much! Oh my goodness! The color is blue. Yeah. The color is blue. See? Oh my goodness. See? Check out this one.
So this is original, right?
The color is blue. It's okay. Oh, do you know the reason why the color is blue? So the color is blue because there's an element, okay, pure alcohol. Meaning to say, if you are going to cook rice, okay, and the color of the flame is blue, that is the most super duper the heat is too much. Meaning to say, if you drink this one, your lungs, your intestine, everything will be damaged. Oh my God. So do you want to drink it? You pass? What about you, my friend? You drink it? So why Nigerians drink this?
For energy.
For energy?
Yeah.
For highness.
To bam bam? To do like this? To do like that? To do like that?
All of them.
Oh my God, see, this guy is saying all of them. So you drink this one to do like this? Oh my goodness, it's too much. Okay guys, it's time for us now to drink. Okay? Oh my God. It's okay. Ay! This one is like alcohol on the hand. Can you do it first? Can you finish it first? Can you finish? See this guy, oh. He is drinking this one like juice. Actually, guys, it's strong. It's too much. It's on my lips already. I cannot. Para siyang ginebra. Putang ina. It's like gin. Can you give me water? Water. Oh my God. Ang tapang. Putang ina. It's here already. I cannot. Can I throw it here? I cannot. Ang tapang. It's too much. It's okay for me not to do like that. It's okay. Alam mo yung, it's like pure ginebra. Oh my God, the gin. Guys, don't follow this video, okay? Yes, don't follow. Okay, my friend, how much
2004.
Okay, you have POS?
Yeah.
Okay, give me POS. So you did not drink the Chelsea, So we are done buying food from Lady M, and guys, if you are going to come here, do make sure to always visit their shop. Okay, so once again, thank you so much for watching our video. Until next time, bye!